In front of me is REALME GT 70, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice in a second one by hitting remove. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display and clicking widgets between icons and layout at the bottom. Now look for Google section. When you locate it, hold Google search bar and add it to your screen by dragging it to a proper place. When you're ready, let go. Click Done at the top right corner. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully brought back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!